River, stay away from my door. Yep, every time the building staff come through, it gets worse and worse. You can't see it in the darkness, but there's lots of plopping going on here. That's a third bucket I'll have to throw out soon enough. Or a quarter bucket, so that's what, a full bucket? Yeah, the towel helps whatever I can't catch in the buckets eventually drifts down into the other thingamajig here and over there and over there. Yeah. Who needs to go to the beach when you've got flooding at home? 2 years and running.